How to spot a scammer while traditional dating. 1. Be wary of repeated inquiries regarding finances. Never answer any questions about your finances from anyone. Don't ever divulge this information. If they ask you questions like this, it's a warning sign. Early on in a relationship, if your date is asking a lot of questions about your finances, they might simply be interested in your finances. These inquiries could be as plain as inquiring into your pay or as covert as inquiring into the kind of vehicle you drive or the area you reside in. Innocent-sounding queries like, "What kind of car do you drive?" can give your date a hint as to how much money you have. 2. Recognize the dangers of romantic connections while away from home. When you are on vacation or are staying temporarily in another country, you are a prime target for dating scams. Be mindful that the dating culture and social cues may not be the same as those in your own country. Someone who falls in love with you suddenly should be avoided. They might have a hidden agenda. It is generally not a good idea to go alone because you can be more vulnerable to predators. Think about bringing a companion on vacations. When traveling with a friend, you can still spend some time apart, but make sure to check in with each other periodically. Just a quick text will do. 3. Be sensible. Unfortunately, if something sounds too good to be true, it probably is. Watch out for people who are much younger than you or who declare their love for you too soon. A person who is considerably younger than you can be exclusively interested in a relationship for the sake of financial stability. Do not forget that true love takes time, and declarations of love at first sight could be a red flag that you are the victim of fraud. For instance, if a 25-year-old model expresses interest in dating a 65-year-old retiree, it should raise red flags. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.